This is a severely underrated striking flower, mountain cornflower, or known by other names, perennial bachelor buttons, Centaurea montana, mountain bluets, or knapweed. This isn't just an eye candy plant, but it actually smells like candy too. Something unexplainable to describe. This plant will bring you beauty, healing, and ease to your garden. This plant is often included in wildflower seed packets because it is a fantastic addition and isn't invasive, as well as it self-seeds, so it's perfect for a field of wildflowers. Now down to brass tacks. Though cornflower will keep your garden buzzing, it's also a great performer in medicinal uses. The benefits go deep. Reducing inflammation, tired eyes, and an aid in digestion. Just use some of the flower petals and brew them into a gentle tea to drink. The perennial cornflower is a queen in the easy growing department, needing almost nothing in return from you. Safe to say this plant is one tough SOB, surviving poor soils, little to no watering, and comes back year after year. It's almost bulletproof. The uses of the plant include teas, tinctures, natural dyes, and is prized for beautifying cottages or garden borders. We think it's much more than that though. I can't explain the aroma of cornflower, but once you get a whiff of it, you'll wish you had a feel of it. Or maybe not, as some people consider it to be invasive in the right climate. Be sure to always check your zoning. These flowers typically bloom in early summer and reseed themselves if you don't deadhead them. Me personally, I'd love them to take over my garden. The mountain cornflower has a rich purpley blue, trumpet-like flower petals and a soft, spiky mauve center. Adorned with light green foliage, these flowers can reach a height of 30 to 60 centimeters. Native to the European region and hardly has any pest problems at all. So you want to look into growing this beautiful perennial for yourself? Let's start with zoning. Hardy plants can grow as cold to zone 3 to zone 8+. When you're thinking about a spot to drop this bad boy, choose a location with partial sun or full sun. I find they do better in full sun as they don't reseed themselves as promptly in partial sun. Okay, soil types. This is a great tolerant plant that can handle loam and sand soil types. Some plants may not tolerate dry summer heat, but this plant will, once established. It be known that it isn't listed as a toxic plant to cats or dogs. One thing this plant does not like is soggy soil. Propagation. If you're into digging a clump up for yourself, make sure you're taking between 5 to 10 centimeters of foliage with some roots attached. It's important to take most cuttings during either spring or fall, when plants are asleep or about to go dormant. If planting from seed, spring will be your best option. Only sow your seeds when the temperatures are around 20 degrees Celsius or 68 degrees Fahrenheit. As long as you give a little love and care to whatever you plant, it will mostly come back and grace your garden year after year. Will you let this one take place in your yard? Stay tuned for next week's showstopper, The Botanical Tales. Every leaf tells a tale.